Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mysterio Hime Hobby. So unboxing and quick review and test pair tayo ng ating unit. So bago yan, so may previous tayo na cup and mug. Pa-subscribe na rin po yung ating Facebook and YouTube channel. Ito po yung ating mga previous. So ito po yung ating unit na WE made in Taiwan, Glock 34 Gen 4, Generation 4, color black. So meron din tayong available na color silver yung slide. So may manual, and then syempre hindi mawala yung ating sticker na previous. So ito po yung ating unit. WE made in Taiwan, Glock 34 Gen 4. So always trigger finger out, toy only. Airsoft gas blowback pistol. Yan, so adjustable half up, and then meron siyang extra back grips o back strap. And then magazine capacity 24 rounds plus 1, 25 rounds. So may BBs and gas na po yan. Test pa natin mamaya. And then may base pad. So ito yung kanyang pin. Yan, nilalagay dito yan yung back strap o back grips. Diyan po ilalagay yung kanyang pin. Yan. Sa mga malalaki yung kanilang mga kamay. No? And then compatible to sa long magazine sa 50 rounds sa mga Glock magazine. And then FPS nito dahil long barrel 320 to 360 FPS. Yan. So semi-auto function lang ito. So wala siyang rapid fire or full auto function. So meron dito yung selector, no. So ito ay semi-auto function. And then kanyang body polymer plastic. And then yung kanyang slide, metal slide. Yan, sa may butas dito, kanyang rear sight. Ayan, and front and rear sight. Ayan, so mga nakapix yan. Then may railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. Mga pang tactical. Ayan. So test pair natin. So may BBs and gas, 0.23 gram. So dito po niya lagay yung BBs, no. So pwedeng gumamit ng BB loader. So test pair natin. Pasok sa magazine, clicking sound, kasa, release, test fire. Yan, so next slide lock na po siya, ibig sabihin wala na po siyang BBs or bala, no? So release natin yung magazine, release natin yung slide, first the trigger, then hammer down. Yan. Gandang unit nito, WE Glock 34 Gen 4 color black. Thank you.